sure how this is going to work, you know. I mean, we need somebody who have experience in the business.
Brother, just forward over here because God brother is saying for thinking. You see me?
Well, yeah. I mean, we want honor our request, but me need to know where you know about construction.
Well, you know, so one set of man dig the foundation. The next set of man mix mortar. While the next set lay the block.
It go way beyond that, brother.
As I said, just forward out of respect of that man. You think you'd already have something for we doing.
Truth is, we just to get back into the business. So I'm not fully involved yet. But you take your contacts and get a link on that, so.
So what kind of trade you talk about other business then?
Well, that depends on what you can do and how good you can do it.
If I a chum chain thing, my lad. Real money I look out at this.
You can make real money, but you have to put in real work. Maybe this is not for you and your friend then. Because you're not so used to making easy money in the street.
Easy money. Nothing but that life is easy, no bad man. You lose 3 pints and less than 3.
And that's how you want to live?
But in life I choose me, no. Never me choose it.
You can't change it.
I'm not fortunate like you, know. I feel defend myself. On my gun from me at 13. Not come easy, brother.
Maybe that's why Slimmers want you to do something legit.
I know she's on a different part of her life, you know. And I know my part that.